Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Zimbabwe's First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa has urged African women in tourism to transition from empowerment programs to decision-making roles. She said this while opening a major UN conference in Victoria Falls. The First Lady officiated at the second UN Tourism Regional Congress on Women Empowerment in Tourism in Africa. She said women must move beyond empowerment and take up leadership positions where key decisions are made. She linked the call to existing initiatives, Agri4C, cookout competitions, and farm-to-market galo, which she said are designed to uplift communities and create a real economic independence. My support for women in tourism through initiatives like Agri4C, cookout competitions, and farm-to-market galo is complementary, offered wholeheartedly, she posted. The Congress focuses on increasing women's participation in tourism management, ownership, and policy. According to UN Tourism, women make up 54% of the global tourism workforce, but hold less than 25% of leadership roles in Africa. Dr. Mnangagwa concluded by saying, "Together, let us break barriers and build a future where African tourism is driven by bold, capable women." For more stories, please do like and subscribe.